I will show you how to program an STM32F103C series board with Arduino Ide and how to fix errors. We need to make this connection. First, we upload the firmware file to this board. The connections here must be made through our USB to TTL converter. We should pay attention here. If your USB TTL converter has a jumper for regulating VCC pin, this jumper must be in 3V pin. This board supports 5V, but we shouldn't use 5V. If there isn't any VCC pin, you should connect to 3V pin. We should pay attention on board. There is a boot 0 jumper. This jumper must be in one position. Some people say that boot 1 jumper must be in one position. I tried it, but it didn't work. So make this connection. Ground to ground, 3V to 3V or VCC. 9 to RXD, a 10 XD. We need some files after this connection. Example, your USB to TTL converters driver. You'll find this file on internet. If drivers are not installed, you have some errors in uploading. I will download these files. Some USB TTL converters driver are different, so I will not share this file. You can install your driver by right-clicking the .inf file and selecting install or run an exe file. After, I connect my board with USB to TTL converter. I go to this file and set up this program. Then I start this program. Now I set port, but I should check this port. So I go to the device manager. I click ports. This is my USB to TTL converter, COM6. If your device isn't there, your drivers are not installed. Then I click next. Next. We should pay attention here again. If your board is STM32F103C series 8, you choose 64K. Else you choose 128K. I choose this. Next. I click download to device. I choose global arise. I click verify after download. I find generic boot file and I click next. Yes, finished. I change boot 0 jumper's position. I disconnect my device from computer. And I connect my board with USB. If you connect your board and hear this voice, your drivers are installed. Your drivers do not come pre-installed, but this is how you can tell if the drivers are installed correctly. If you don't have any drivers installed, you may see a notification that the device is not recognized. This notification is not important. I close this program. Now I install STM32 board driver. If I didn't install, my board shows there. If your drivers are installed, your board shows in ports. I have 2 drivers. Either one of them works, either one of them doesn't. We are going to open this file. I right-clicking this file and click install. When I installed this driver, it didn't work. This card has a GitHub page for its library. I download the library from there. We are going to open this file. I right-clicking the file and click Run as an administrator. The other driver doesn't require this, but if you are installing this driver, the card must be connected to the computer. After installing it, we check this from the device manager. Our card should appear as a maple serial. My port is COM11. I run Arduino IDE. I install my card's library, file preferences, and I paste link there. Then I go to the Tools, Boards, and Board Manager. And I search STM32. I install STM32F1. There are some settings we need to make. We choose the generic STM32F103C series. I go to the variant and choose 64K because my card's memory is 64 kilobytes, and choose the upload method STM32 Arduino, and I choose my COM port, and settings are complete. I open blank program. And change the built-in to PC13. We must use Arduino IDE 188 because another versions have some problems of Java. I tried some of solutions I found online, but I am still getting different errors. I upload the code. The loading started and finished. Yes, let's blinking. If your code didn't upload, you are getting this error. Couldn't DFU device. Change boot one jumper's position, then install second driver. Thanks for watching.